Hello everyone, my name is Perisa Ashar and I've been very passionate about giving STEM opportunities back to my community. As an executive director and co-founder of an international nonprofit called STEMinate, I'm so passionate in bringing STEM opportunities to students from all different socioeconomic and racial backgrounds. So, as part of my submission for the Congressional App Challenge, I developed an app on the Code.org App Lab program called Miraculous Math under our organization, STEMinate. In order to make my application, I used the programming language JavaScript and wrote about a total of 300 lines of code. Hello, this is the first page of my app where it has the username and password. In order to first access this app, we have to create a new user for anyone who's not joined this app before. So I'll be using my first name, Perisa, and the password, math. So when I click OK, it says, thank you for joining STEMinate's app. And I can just type in Perisa and math as I registered and logged in. And voila, I can finally start learning all the different activities that we offer. So over here, we have 6 different key activities, with 4 being different arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And if I can click one of them, addition in this case, there's divided into 3 subparts, which are learn, review, and quiz. So in learn, students are first given the definition of the arithmetic operation, in this case with it being addition, as well as an example and a conceptual idea to understand that example. Then in a review page, the students can enter in any 2 random numbers, like let's say 2 plus 6. And they can calculate it, and they'll get the calculated or the total sum of these 2 numbers, in this case for the addition process. So I could type in 3 plus 4 equals 12. Or sorry, 3 plus 4 equals 7, sorry, and 3 plus 5 equals 8, and yeah. And then finally, for the quiz, students can have an unlimited number of questions to test themselves, in this case with 2 plus 7 equals 9, and they can submit 6 plus 1 equals 7, and because I get it correct, I'm able to move on to the next question. But let's say I type in 2 plus 8 equals 2. I'm not able to move on. I have to type in the correct answer, 10, in order to move on. So we have the same activities available for subtraction, multiplication, and division. And one other interesting thing is that we offer a unit conversion. So in a unit conversion, we have all these different things, from meters to feet, feet to meters, all these different conversion of units, from the metric system to the American system. So if I want to convert from meters to feet, let's say 10 meters, I enter in this value here, and it says 10 meters equals 32.8 feet, which is pretty cool. And finally, we have a polar graphing feature where students can learn about what polar graphs are, and then they are given a sample equation, and if they want to see how many petals, like if I say n equals 3, as we can see in this equation where n is, it will show up with 3 petals. And then I can just clear this graph, and I can also go back. Thank you so much for listening.